we start with some breaking news this hour. People in the Urals in Russia have seen burning objects raining down from the sky after a meteorite exploded above the Earth, causing a meteor shower. Eyewitnesses reported several blasts rocking the region and there's long trails of smoke in the air. And RT's Lucy Gafanov has more now. So, Lucy, what's going on there?
Hi there, Yulia. Well, remember, imagine you're driving to work on a beautiful, calm Friday morning and suddenly a massive fireball appears out of nowhere in the sky. You're thinking to yourself, is this a plane crash? Is this a rocket attack, a UFO? But when it comes to the Urals region in Chelyabinsk, the city in Russia, it's actually a meteor shower. This is what took place this morning. Really stunning images that you're seeing there right now. Now, what we know from officials, according to officials and eyewitnesses, is that a series of explosions, possibly 5 to 6, took place when this meteor exploded in the air, raining down molten hot debris onto the ground. Now, this has caused widespread panic in at least 3 cities. Witnesses reported the walls of houses shaking, windows being blown out, cell phones even reportedly stopped working in some areas. Now, we're still getting the details. Details are still slowly coming in from officials, but what we know so far is that there are no casualties, no massive injuries. At least that's what we're hearing at the moment. There has been some concern about potential small injuries at a school, unconfirmed. So some schools are reportedly being evacuated. We're also hearing that a zinc factory was hit by a piece of the meteor, but no leaks reported so far. Officials did do preliminary testing of radiation levels in the area. They say that that is okay, but of course tests are going to continue throughout the day. The biggest issue right now is the falling debris and the smoke, the black smoke that people are reporting that is hanging in the air. So very, very shocking developments, probably not the kind of surprise you want to see on your way to work on Friday morning. One interesting fact of note is that the world is closely watching another meteor that's supposed to graze past the Earth later on this evening. That's the size of an Olympic-sized swimming pool. This is an unrelated incident, and of course, as it develops, we will continue to bring you more information. Again, no casualties reported so far. Radiation levels are okay at the moment, but of course, we'll have to keep you up to date as the developments come in.
Comets will be making a big return in 2013, with 2 scheduled to pass within the year. The first dazzling display of a giant hunk of ice and gas hurtling through space will begin on March 13th. The Pan-STARRS comet will be able to be seen on the western horizon in the northern hemisphere.
Hello everyone! Scientists and astronomers are excited for the waiting of nearly 2 years to see the spectacular comet Pan-STARRS. Well, Pan-STARRS will be visible to the west and northwest and plan to be there after sunset in a clear evening night in the early mid-March. Pan-STARRS, known as C/2011 L4, will be the best comet in several years for observers at mid-northern latitude. Mid-northern sky watchers can expect to see on March the 8th through 20th, 2013. Pan-STARRS is orbiting with Jupiter and Saturn as we speak. Pan-STARRS was discovered 2 years ago from Sky Survey Project in Hawaii. Pan-STAR comet will reach the closest point to the Sun on March the 10th. So take out your telescope and binoculars and enjoy the superstar Pan-STAR comet. Don't forget, the universe is full of surprise. Peace to Mother Earth and peace to everybody around the world. You are unique and beautiful. Bye for now.
Comet Lemon. It was discovered by Mount Lemmon Sky Survey, part of the University of Arizona's astronomy program up on top of the mountain. It's coming to the northern hemisphere. It will be visible to us in April. Right now it's in the southern hemisphere sky. Here's a picture of it. It's got a little faint tail coming off. It is surprising astronomers by being much brighter than they thought it would be. This is actually through a telescope, so even in the southern hemisphere they can't see it with their naked eye yet, but that will change. This comet is made up, of course, of a ball of ice and rocks, and the gases that are coming off of it when the ice sublimates as solar radiation hits it from the sun, it's cyanogen and diatomic carbon. Why do we care about that? Makes it glow green. A green comet, not all that common for us.
Comet Ison is predicted to become the comet of the century. It has the potential to be many times brighter than the moon, making it even visible in broad daylight throughout the world.
Comet is coming, a big and brilliant comet arriving in November 2013. It could potentially be 15 times brighter than the moon and visible in broad daylight over the U.S.